on the line. This is Robert with the PA Helpline. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing, Robert?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Sir, I do believe you had minor accident in past 2 years.
Car accident? I have. Not a minor one, no.
Yeah. It was a major, right?
That's right. It was a major one.
I got you. And after the accident, did you sustain any minor injury like neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain?
No, it was a major injury. I was in the hospital for 2 weeks because I broke my back.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So that's why I will help you. And did you hire any attorney in this case?
Well, it just happened in March. So it's only happened a few months ago. I'm still recovering from it.
Okay. So that's why. Sorry.
What?
And how did the accident happen?
Well, I was getting on the interstate and it was pretty busy with trucks, and accidentally slipped underneath one of them and got stuck. And when my car did come dislodged, it flew into the concrete barrier.
So it was a major, right?
Of course it was. The car's totaled. I was stuck inside. It took a half hour to get me out of the car.
I'm so sorry to hear that. And what's your first and last name?
My first name's Jack.
And your last name?
Koch, K-O-H.
Your first name is Jack and your last name is Koch, right?
Correct.
Okay, I'm so sorry, sir. I will call you back. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Are you going to call me back? Don't think you liked my name.
Subscribe his motherfucking channel because he is an asshole.